In this video, I'm going to show you how do you send your tweets directly to Instagram stories without using any tools. Before we jump into it, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. Okay, now let's jump right into this. And it's one of the recent features that Twitter introduced. You can share your tweets to your Instagram stories and actually on Snapchat too without using any tool. You don't have to download, you don't have to crop images, you don't have to use one of those tools that convert tweets to images and then people save and upload to Instagram. No, nothing. So this is how it's gonna work. You're gonna go to, here I am logged into Twitter on my phone. I'm gonna go to my profile and let's pick a tweet. So let's say this tweet right here about personal branding. I wanna share this to my Instagram story. So you are going to click on this icon, the share icon on the tweet. So let's do that. And then look at this. So here are the two options right in your face. And then let's click on Instagram stories. And it's going to open Instagram and boom, look at this. And this is how it's going to look like. And I do have a couple of options. Let's say if I don't like the black background, I can click on this icon on top and then pick any color. Let's say I want blue color. I'll select blue and then press and hold on the screen. Boom, look at that. And I can still, let's hit done on the top. I can hit the sticker and I can add, let's say I want to add a location, Dallas, Texas. And I can hide that behind the tweet. I can change the size of this. Look at that. And when I am ready, all I have to do is click on your stories and it will post. Let's double check. So I'm gonna go back to my Instagram stories and look at this. So it's already posted. How cool and simple is that? Yeah, it's one of the newer features that Twitter has and I love it. So you can also share this, the same thing you can do from Twitter to Snapchat. So I'll go back, click on the share icon. I don't do that as often, but I can click on Snap Camera and I believe it's going to bring that. Look at this. And now I can take a video or I can take a picture. Let's say I want to take my picture in the background like that. And then I can share this to my Snapchat as well. I'm not going to do that right now because I'm not super active on Snapchat. So this is how you take your tweet from Twitter and share it directly on Instagram stories. You don't need to use any third-party tools. And here's another cool trick you can use. So this thing right here that we just created, this one, I can save this image. So I can click on save and it will get saved in my camera roll. And guess what? Now I can use it as a post for Instagram as well, not just stories, but also Instagram posts. So cool. If you have any questions, leave those below in the comments. Before you go, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.